This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon Airbrush, an easy guide. First, unpack all of your equipment and inspect each piece. Next, firmly connect the air hose to both your compressor and the airbrush itself, ensuring a secure fit. Remember to fill your compressor's water trap. This crucial step prevents moisture issues. Finally, turn on your compressor and set the pressure to around 20 pounds per square inch for general use, making sure the air flows smoothly. Achieving the correct paint consistency is vital for a smooth spray, preventing frustrating clogs. A good starting point is mixing 1 part paint with 1 part suitable thinner. Aim for a texture resembling skim milk or thin cream. It should flow easily from a stirring stick. Always use a dedicated mixing cup, ensuring a uniform blend. Test your mixture on scrap material before applying it to your main project, making adjustments until it sprays evenly. Begin by holding the airbrush like a pencil, maintaining a consistent distance of about 2 to 4 inches from your surface. Gently pull back the trigger to release paint, remembering that more pull means more paint. Practice spraying straight lines and simple shapes on scrap paper or cardboard. Move your hand in smooth, controlled motions, overlapping each pass slightly for even coverage. Always start and end your spray off the desired area to avoid blotches. Immediate cleaning is crucial after every single use to prevent paint from drying and causing clogs. First, empty any remaining paint and then flush the paint cup with your chosen cleaning solution. Spray the solution through the airbrush until only clear liquid emerges. For a thorough cleaning, gently disassemble the needle, nozzle, and air cap, carefully wiping each part. Lubricate the needle with a tiny drop of airbrush-specific oil before reassembly, ensuring smooth future operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.